To disassemble your AirwayMan training system, start by making sure your AirwayMan is facing away from you. Loosen the connector screws on the upper torso until they release. Once loosened, release the black tabs along the sides of the AirwayMan's torso and pull the front and back of the torso apart. Turn the AirwayMan around so it is now facing you. Carefully remove the face mask by starting with the back of the neck and gently roll it up. On the Cricothyroid cover, lower the black sliding lock and open the cover. Remove the membrane tissue and twist the cric counterclockwise to remove from the bronchial tee. Twist the cricothyroid counterclockwise to remove it from the soft airway. Remove the skull cap by pressing on the buttons located on the side of the skull and sliding up. Remove the nasal tunnel by unscrewing the black connectors until they release. Open the tunnel to remove it from the nasal cavity. Remove the upper teeth by unscrewing the brass connectors at the top of the mouth and pulling the teeth down. It is best practice to screw the brass connectors back onto the teeth to avoid losing them. Remove the bottom teeth by unscrewing the brass connectors under the jaw and pulling the teeth up. Screw the brass connectors back onto the teeth. Remove the esophagus from the soft airway by twisting the lower black tabs counterclockwise. To remove the soft airway, first remove the rigid nasal tunnel. Then pull the lower mandible up and over. Gently remove the soft airway and ensure that the nasal cavity navigates through the mandible. Lean the head back on the table to access the bronchial tee. Remove the bronchial tee by twisting the lower tabs on each side of the tube clockwise. Remove the esophagus tube by twisting the lower tabs clockwise. Disassembly of your AirwayMan is now complete.